Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing work on this Ego leaf blower. First we're just going to pop this top off, and I've already got it loose, but listen, it's really not that hard. You kind of just what I did is I pressed in here and popped it, but there is, I'll show you this. There's just this one little notch. None of the rest of this comes loose. So if you just pop these off, comes up, just slide it out, it'll come right out. Okay, I've got something stuck inside the leaf blower. We're gonna try to fix that. Now it's time to play, what socket size is it? Aha! Yeah, praise the Lord. 5/16 works. And just throw that in there. And then turn it all at the same time. Okay, that nut came right out. Okay, so now taking these loose. This one too while I'm here. It's like literally cake to get inside. Just go ahead and take this guard off because it looks like both pieces are attached, kind of reinforced with the guard. So, and two down here, and I think that should be it. There we go. All right, that one's loose. Oh shoot. Oh, yes. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, it does. There we go. So it does come off. I guess I just wasn't pulling hard enough, so maybe I didn't have to take it all apart, but there we go. All right, well, there's the inside. There's the inside if you want to see it, and then the bottom side of the fan propeller. So I guess while it's out, I'll just go ahead and put that nut back on. There's all those. Okay, and looks like these wires go back just like this into this little cavity, and then this slides in there just like that little air valley whatchamacallit thing. This is how that goes. That's so genius. Okay, so you just listen, when this comes out, you just take this part and put the spring on it, slide it in there, okay, all right, and then you take this and it goes this way. Okay. Push this all the way down and in. The spring doesn't go on that plastic. The spring goes straight down and pushes up against the rest of that plastic. So when you push this in, it releases. Does that make sense? So when you press down on it, it releases the battery and pops it out. That's so awesome. So now So now we got all of our wires out of the way. So we're just gonna put our housing back on and start throwing all these screws back in it. They're all the same size, by the way. Where did that go? Oh my goodness. Is it stuck in one of those? Did it fall? There it is. Okay. People judge me all the time for using a drill or an impact, but you know, if you're not stupid with it, you don't over tighten things, you know. Forgot that one already has a, that one's not bad. Okay. Ah. Okay. Now we need our small little screwdriver to tighten up this one. That's tight. I think. And then this one for sure. This. Isn't a screw in there? There's not even a screw in there. My goodness. Okay. And oh, that one's tight. Okay, so that's good. Now there's basically just this part right here, and that's how that goes. So yeah, yep, not doing it that way. Because there's already a screw in it. there, and there, and then the last two, and then we'll be pop the case back on, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, we are done. No! Okay. I forgot these, but don't forget to put these back on. I'm just going to take it back apart and put them back on. Just rewatch the video. You know where they go. They're the same thing. They just go back on those two little knobs on the hose. That's in here. And if you need to know how to get the trigger back in there, it's just like that. Spring goes up against this, just orientation.